Hey kids!
Animal names in 6 languages: English, Chinese, Arabic, Hindi, Spanish, and Indonesian. Episode 1, Pets. In English. Cat. Repeat after me. Cat. Cat. In Chinese.
猫
Repeat after me. Mao. Mao. In Arabic.
Gitta
Repeat after me. Kita. Kita. In Hindi.
Billy.
Repeat after me. Billy. Billy. In Spanish.
Gato.
Repeat after me. Gato. Gato. In Indonesian.
kucing
Repeat after me. Kucing. Kucing. In English. Dog. Repeat after me. Dog. Dog. In Chinese.
狗
Repeat after me. Go. Go. In Arabic.
كلب
Repeat after me. Call. Call. In Hindi.
Kutta.
Repeat after me. Kuta. Kuta. In Spanish.
Perro.
Repeat after me. Perro. Perro. In Indonesian.
anjing
Repeat after me. Anjing. Anjing. In English. Fish. Repeat after me. Fish. Fish. In Chinese.
鱼
Repeat after me. You. You. In Arabic.
سمكة
Repeat after me. Samaka. Samaka. In Hindi.
Machli.
Repeat after me. Machli. Machli. In Spanish.
Pez.
Repeat after me. Pes. Pes. In Indonesian.
ikan
Repeat after me. Econ. Econ. In English. Bird. Repeat after me. Bird. Bird. In Chinese.
鸟
Repeat after me. Meow. Meow. In Arabic.
طائر
Repeat after me. Toe ear. Toe ear. In Hindi.
Pakshi.
Repeat after me. Pakshi. Pakshi. In Spanish.
Pájaro.
Repeat after me. Pájaro. Pájaro. In Indonesian.
burung
Repeat after me. Burung. Burung. In English. Duck. Repeat after me. duck, duck. In Chinese,
Ya.
repeat after me. Ya, ya. In Arabic,
Bata.
repeat after me. Bada, bada. In Hindi,
Batak.
repeat after me. Batsak, batsak. In Spanish,
Pato.
repeat after me. Pato, pato. In Indonesian,
Bebek.
repeat after me. Bebek, bebek.